I am going to use this image to show you how to do this. First, open your web browser and go to the Remove Background App website. You can find it by searching for Remove Background App on Google. Once you're on the website, click on the Upload Image button to upload the photo you want to remove the background from. After your photo is uploaded, the app will automatically start removing the background from the image. Once the app has finished removing the background, you can review the result and make any necessary adjustments. The app will display your original image on one side of the screen and the edited image on the other side, so you can easily compare the two. If you're satisfied with the result, you can download the edited image by clicking on the Download button. The app will save the image to your computer in PNG format, which preserves the transparency of the background. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can try adjusting the settings of the app. The app allows you to adjust the sensitivity of the background removal tool and the size of the brush used to mark the areas you want to keep or remove. Once you're done making adjustments, you can try removing the background again by clicking on the Remove Background button. When you're happy with the final result, you can download the image and use it in your project. That is how you remove background image from your photo in just few clicks.